So guys, we are here in Sulphur Gates. So tara, let's go. Explore natin. These are the information over here. So Wilmore Wilderness Sulphur Gates. Nice view. Canyon. Oh, kanta pala dito pagka ano oh. Very beautiful during fall season. Wow, let's go. It's very nice. Yeah. Magti-trail konti. So what's for the bear mga lods? So nasa Sulphur Gates po tayo. So watch out po tayo dahil baka may bear dito. So ito yung viewing point. So look out tayo.